In this video, we're looking at the ENGAA 2020 paper, section 1, question 22. So, we're told that x minus 1 and x minus 2 are factors of this equation here. X to the 4 plus ax cubed plus bx squared minus 12x plus 4. And we need to work out what a and b are. So, here is our equation here. How are we going to approach this? Well, we know some of the factors already, so we know some of the values for x. So what happens when we set x to those values? So let's have a go. We know that x is going to equal 1 with this as a factor. So setting x as 1, we can substitute this in here and work out some values for a and b. So we're going to have 1 plus a plus b minus 12 plus 4 equals 0. So we can simplify this down and we get a plus b equals 7. If we do the same thing with x equals 2, as that's the solution to this factor here, we're going to get 16 plus 8a plus 4b minus 24 plus 4. And again, we can simplify this down to 8a plus 4b equals 4. We can simplify this again to 2a plus b equals 1. So now we have two simple equations that use a and b. How are we going to work out what the values of a and b actually are? Can we use these equations in some way? Well, let's use them as simultaneous equations, and that'll give us some answers. So here we have our two equations next to each other. We don't have to do any editing here because we have our b term, which is the same in both equations. So what shall we do? Let's take our red equation away from our blue one. We get minus a equals 6. So a must equal minus 6. And now we have our a value. All we need to do is substitute it back in to get our b value. So let's use this equation, a plus b equals 7. We know that a is minus 6, so b minus 6 is 7, and therefore b is 13. So now we have both of our a and b values, we can find our final answer to be answer B.